Hello everyone, I am a sixth grade student at Saji Elementary School. Today I'd like to talk about my favorite baking activity. I will explain how I make chocolate cookies. I need to prepare some ingredients such as 1 egg, 100 grams of butter, 50 grams of sugar, 150 grams of cake flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, vanilla extract, and chocolate. First, soften some butter. And mix it with sugar until completely melted. Second, an egg, mix it well. Third, sift the flour and baking powder through a sieve and put them in. Fourth, pour a mixture gently with a spatula. Fifth, add the chocolate chip. Sixth, roll out the dough and press it into the mold. Finally, put them into a heated pan and baking them for about 50 minutes. My favorite cookies are perfectly baked. Thank you for listening.